Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So today we're going to be winterizing this outdoor spigot faucet. We're going to call this a spigot today. This is just cold water where you put the garden hose. For the winter months, I want to make sure that no freezing air will be going up here and reaching any water in any of the pipes and expand them and burst. I could turn this off from behind the wall in the basement. Crawl space is the same way, you know, you usually have a shut-off valve. So instead of doing that, I'm going to leave it on, and I just leave it on all year. I just cover it up during the winter time so that the cold air can't go inside here. Let me show you what I've been using. Here is an old Frost King. This thing is about 9 years old, I believe. So this had like a plastic cover over the foam. Here's the foam insulation, and there is a little bit of strip insulation that's flexible that is missing. So I don't even know where that's at, but I decided to replace this because of that. But the foam is still in good shape, as you see here, but the plastic coating or cover is seen its better days. It started out looking like that, which is pretty good if you want it to blend into, you know, your in my case, the red brick. However, I chose not to do that this year. Another thing I want to point out is this rubber band is still in very good condition. I'm talking like 9 years, and it still works. The little button here, though, where's that at? The little button is not working properly. I could probably get this to work, but like I said, it wouldn't seal very well. So let me show you what I've got. So here's what we're going to go with. I've got 4 of these for I think it was like $14.99. So that is you know, under $4 each. It is the Faucet Protector, Frost King brand. We've got the foam here, and we've got the cushy sealant here, okay, to go against the brick. We've got a rubber band, and we've got the little button right here. Now, I think I told you that this one was Frost King. I can't remember. It's been many years ago. It's designed the same way. But what I wanted to point out is it's rounded off. You know, and it has the plastic. Frost King does have the plastic ones, the plastic coating, cover, whatever. But I was noting that this is thicker. This is thicker. So this may be the way to go with the plastic cover. This one's thicker, or the old one is thicker than this right here. This seems to be a little thinner. But you know, we're talking $4 each, and I should get a lot of life out of all 4 of these anyway. I got two faucets or 2 spigots that I'm going to put these on, so I'll have 2 of each. So I'm going to show you how to put these on if you've never used one of these. All right, to get started, I'm going to reach in here and grab this, and then we're going to push the button, pull this up about right there. Before I forget it, I want to tell you that these are very, very lightweight. It's just foam like you see. So if you have these shipped from Amazon, make sure that you check off the option that you want these put in an Amazon shipping box. Otherwise, you're going to have what I have here. I actually did that, and they still didn't do it. So I have a dent in all 4 of them, about like this right here. So just something I want to tell you real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to, now we've got a lot of slack on our rubber band, we're going to reach over at the faucet, and we're going to take this loop, put it over the handle, just like that. Okay, now just put it up against the wall. Got a good seal, even with our mortar. And with my left hand, I'm going to support it, push the button right here. So it's nice and tight against the brick wall. Okay, faucet protector in place, nice and secure. We've got a nice seal all the way around from what I can see, even up here. Now if you find yourself falling in the middle of a gap, you may want to adjust it, move it up or down. Of course, you're going to have to release this the rubber band here to do that, and then retighten it. Or you can actually just shift the whole thing and have the wide section on the top, if that helps. Yeah, if you're gonna have like high winds or rain, you think, slapping against your home, you may want to choose the heavier version with the plastic coating. I think the foam is probably a little thicker as well. That may be the option for you. Or if you think you might have, animals coming up against the side and bumping or something, I don't know, but that may be something you might want to think about. Also, if it's unsightly to you, you may want to go with the color option that they offer. In this case, it was the red brick for me. Or you could probably paint these if you wanted to. Sure, you could. Guess that's going to be it. Feel good about having this up before the cold weather starts coming in. The freezing air in our pipes should be safe again. Thanks for watching. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.